Hi everyone, Pat Flynn here, and I want to talk about a concept that's really important, and that's simplicity and its role in managing attention. Now, simplicity is great. We do a lot of work around it. If we're talking about process design, a simple process is a more robust process. If we're talking about web design, then a simple website is a website that will load more faster, and that's great. But that's not the key thing. One of the critical elements about simplicity is managing for attention. Now, it helps manage our attention, but I want to talk about clients' attention. Whatever the context, be it a website visitor, be it somebody reading an email, be it somebody in a meeting with us, somebody reading an SOA of ours, the way we consider their attention is really important, because the more we say, the less we actually say, the less impact we have on the critical elements of what we say. Everything we add detracts from something else. So if you think about it in terms of, hey, I just want to insert this one thing, we are taking away from the attention spent on the really important bits. So you need to think, do we need to add that thing, or is it not worth the cost of it being added in and detracting from everything else? Now, I use a lot of concepts from web design on this because web designers are really the masters of managing for attention. So I'll give you a couple of examples, and we see this a lot of the time when we're building websites. Somebody might ask us for a slider, like something like a panel where things rotate. Now, that's great if you need to say 4 things and it can rotate through all 4, but really what's much better is to think about the one most important thing you want to say and say that and nothing else. Another example is cool transitions. We can have things flip around or slide in from here or whatever you want, but will they make the reader more likely to read that section, or are they more likely to be distracted? Are we pulling away 5% of their attention when we want 100% of their attention on this? So we tend not to want to include those things because they detract from value. There can be good instances, like when it's targeted to a call to action or something like that, but you've really got to consider that cost every single time. Hope that helps. Take care. Be simple.